Set in the city of gold, Dubai, this house is one of the most challenging projects considering the diverse architectural language of the city follows. Whether it is a towering skyscrapers, sleek modern buildings, or elaborated villas, Dubai has it all. This house captures the essence of desert architecture. Welcome to this exciting video series of Design for Every Climate. Here we explore the architecture of different countries all over the globe. This house was designed by Studio VDGA in 2023. They are a firm based in Pune. The area of the house is 4,000 square meter, highlighting its lavishness. This house reflects the local vernacular architecture of desert region. The design fits perfectly within the context of Dubai. The house features a beautiful courtyard, jalis, volumes and wind towers. It has everything that makes it great case study for the design community. These volumes are placed strategically by understanding the sun path and the local environment of the site. This house has various courtyards that provide breathability to the space. Wind tower provides natural light to the interior while cutting off the glare and harshness of the sun. In this video, we will explore the architecture principles and the vernacular technique that they have used in this house and how you can implement these design principles into your design. This is the axonometric sketch of the house. Here is the main entrance, located on the east side of the house. There is a small water body at the entrance. You enter the house from here. And this is the entrance to the parking area, which is below the ground floor. The house contains various courtyards and provide natural light and the ventilation. It also has several wind towers that filter light into the interiors. Jalis have been added to protect the house from direct sunlight. The wind enters the house through these jalis and the courtyard filter natural light inside. This design helps the house to protect the harsh climate of the desert. Now let's see the conceptual framework of the house. Make sure to watch out this video till the end so that you understand the importance of design principles. This house is surrounded by courtyard. These multiple courtyards provide natural light and the ventilation to the house, protecting it from direct sunlight and sandy winds. Wind towers have been added which allow natural light into the interior space and aid in the circulation of air. The hot air exits through these wind towers, further enhancing air circulation. Additionally, these wind towers provide natural light inside the house. The architect also added double screen to protect the opening from the direct sunlight. In the courtyard, jalis have been incorporated to filter light into the house. Let's explore the floor plan of the house to understand better the planning of the house. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified about the next video of this particular series. So this is the ground floor plan. Here the north is facing upward, which means this is the east, this is the west and this is the south side, which we need to protect from the direct sun rays. Along with the floor plan, we will also look at the axonometric view of this particular floor. Here is the main entrance of the house. In the axonometric floor plan, you can see the main entrance. You take some steps and enter into the main foyer of the house. This is the entrance foyer of the house. At the entrance, there is a small office. Then there is a pathway here. This pathway has water bodies on both sides, leading you to the formal living area of the house. This living area is at the end of the house, providing an exciting journey for its user. The living area has a minimal interior decor with a white and beige theme. This is the central courtyard with the water body. This courtyard is designed to be shaded for most of the day, allowing you to enjoy it even on a harsh sunny day. The planning of the house follows the layout of this courtyard. This is the family space at the front. There are bedrooms at the front as well as this family space surrounds the small courtyard. If you look at the plan, this courtyard provides ventilation to the central space. The bedrooms at the front are attached to the wind towers that bring natural light from the top of the house. This is the beauty of the house. These towers provide ventilation to the interior space. The central space is dining and the kitchen area. In the center of the house, there are stairs and a lift that will lead you to the upper floor. The dining area is used by the family on a normal days and it is connected to the services area of the house such as servant quarters, main kitchen, laundry and pantry. At the back, there is a formal living area which is connected to the family area of the house. Additionally, there is a formal dining area at the back side used when guest comes to the house. Now let's take the staircase and explore the first floor of the house. To reach the first floor, you take these stairs. This is the lobby of the first floor, situated along the courtyard, which is covered by these jalis. There is a bridge here that connects the two volumes of the house together, dividing the courtyard into two. On one side of the house, there are bedrooms, specifically the children's bedroom. At the front, there is a recreation space such as library, music area, and the gym, which are connected to the spa room. This large space is the master bedroom, which features a lavish bathroom with a black and white theme. The arches in the bathroom lead you to the bathtub. The roof has an opening that provides natural light inside the bathroom, allowing you to see the sky while bathing. Don't worry, the roof is covered so that the people cannot see you bathing from the above, making the space feel magical. In the axonometric plan, these are the stairs that will lead you to the first floor of the house. The center space is the courtyard. The backside of the house has all the private spaces such as bedrooms, while the front has the recreation spaces such as library, spa and gym. This layout provides a clear sense of hierarchy in the house with no two spaces overlapping each other. Stay tuned till the end so that you understand that how crucial these design principles for your next project. Let's look at the chimney plan. Here we have a large courtyard in the center and another courtyard that provides a natural light inside the house. These are the wind chimneys that provide ventilation and natural light. In this picture you can see the wind chimneys clearly. This is the front elevation of the house, which features a large volume of space without any direct window opening to the facade. Instead, light and wind are brought through these wind towers. This is a very interesting approach used in this desert house, closely resembling the vernacular practice of desert architecture. If you look at the section of the house, you can clearly understand the floor levels. On the lower ground floor, there are parking and the party area. This is the water features on the lower floor, which includes a pool that is very private for family members, where they organize parties. On the ground floor, there is a large courtyard that provides natural light and the ventilation to the house. These are the stairs that connect the different levels of the house. These are the wind towers that provide natural light inside the house and allow hot air to rise up and escape. This design makes the indoor climate of the house more efficient for the occupants, and there are multiple wind towers and the concept is same for all of them. Now the exciting question is how we can implement these design principles into our design. Let's redesign the key principles from this house. The first and most important principle we can use is the implementation of wind towers. This design element promotes effective air circulation within the house, makes the elevation interesting and reduces the dependency on large windows. The second major design principle is the use of the courtyard planning. These large openings are crucial for maintaining the natural flow of the space, providing natural light, ventilation and shade to the house. The third major principle is the climate adaptation. This house follows the principles of vernacular architecture, which is vital in desert environment. Similarly, we can also implement our vernacular style into our design to make the house more effective and responsive to the local climate. So now what do you think if we implement these design principles or the vernacular technique into another country or in a very different situation? Right here you will find a new interesting design.